Okay, making good headway. We're still looking at for loops. We've looked at how to accumulate some numbers into a total. We're going to be doing a lot of that over the next few exercises. Now, moving on to question 6. Write a program to input a number and then add up all the numbers from 1 to this number. So, inclusive. Think about that as you're reading the question. The program should print out a message. Adding up all the numbers from 1 to something gives something else. Okay, so it's telling you exactly what you need to output, which is nice. Less thinking for us. Cool. What do we need to do? Oh, that is our code from question 5. Goodbye, question 5. Bye-bye. It might look a little bit similar though, so if you already have question 5 sitting there, it might be worth thinking about how you can modify that for question 6. Again, just reminding that you've hopefully already had a crack at these, that you've already tried your absolute best to get them right, and even if you haven't, that you are coding along with me, that the muscle memory will serve you well just by doing it here. I'll make this a bit bigger, just so you guys can see it a bit clearer. Okay, so we need a number first. Number needs to be an integer input. Pick a number. And we're going to do that slash n trick again for new line. Notice how it's gone slightly pink. That's because it's not part of the print statement. It's just saying console, go on to a new line, please. It looks nicer, looks tidier. We can do that here. Okay, and so we need to go for I in range, always using that range function with the for loop. For I in range num. Oops, forgot my colon. For I in range num, we need a total. We're adding on to that total we're adding I onto the total each time. Is this going to work? No, it's not going to work. Why isn't it going to work? Let's see. Print. Adding the numbers from 1 to something gives something. And we're going to go dot format. And what needs to live in the dot format? Well, we're going to put adding numbers from 1 to num gives total. Cool. Let's see. Pick a number. Let's do a nice low number that we can do this in our head. So if I pick 3, I should get 3 plus 2 plus 1. That should be 6. Pick a number 3. Adding the numbers from 1 to 3 gives 3. Uh-oh, what's happened? It's that whole that whole range thing again, is that it's starting at 0, finishing at 2. We don't want it to start at 0 and finish at 2. We want it to start at 1, finish at 3. What can we do? We can go I plus 1 down here, and that will always, that's still not going to work, actually. That is not a correct solution. We put plus 1 up here, which means that we will include that last number. We are going to do include 0, but we're just adding 0, so it doesn't matter. If you really wanted to, you could say, I want to start at 1 and finish at the number that I've been given, but you don't need to, because adding 0 doesn't hurt us at all. Let's try that. Pick a number, 3. Adding the numbers from 1 to 3 gives 6. Cool. Pick a number. That big monster there. Ooh, that's taking a bit of computing power. Come on, return something. Do it. No, I might have to stop this and pick a slightly smaller number. It's taking too long. Okay, stop. Try again. Maybe let's go 1,000,000. Pick a number, 1,000,000. That was much faster. Oh, that's so quick. Adding the numbers from 1 to 1,000,000 gives exactly that number. How interesting. Oh, there's a reason behind that. Maybe if you take my lessons at class, you will know the reason behind that. Cool. That is question 6 done. Question 7 is going to look very similar to this. We'll see you there.